Good morning. So today we're going to start with our new phonics lesson. It's sh sound sh or ch sound ch. Now let us start playing the following song about our new phonics lesson.
Digraphs. The sound of ch and sh.
We are not so different. Look and listen, not so different.
Ch and sh.
We are not so different. Look and listen, not so different.
Ch and sh. Ch at. Ch ch chat. Sh ache. Sh sh shake. Ch eek. Ch ch cheek. Sh eep. Sh sh sheep.
We are not so different. Look and listen, not so different.
Ch and sh. Ch ip. Ch ch chip. Sh ip. Sh sh ship. Ch op. Ch ch chop. Sh op. Sh sh shop.
We are not so different. Look and listen, not so different.
Ch and sh. Ch 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 chum. Sh t. Sh sh shut.
We are not so different. Look and listen, not so different.
Ch and sh.
We are not so different. Look and listen, not so different.
Ch and sh. Chat. Cheek. Chip. Chop. Chum. Shake. Sheep. Ship. Shop. Shut.
Now moving to page 43, book 1. Pronunciation. Chip, ship, chair, share, chop, shop, witch, wish, watch, wash. Chip is what you eat as chips. Ship is like a boat. Chair is an object that you use in order to sit on. Share is when you do like a group work, you share. Chop is cutting or breaking down. Shop is like a marketplace. Witch is a person who has some magical powers. Wish is what you wish for. If, for example, I wish to become a doctor when I grow up. Watch is what you look when you look or you see. You watch television. Wash is the process of washing your hands with soap and water or anything, okay? Now page 44, book 1. Decode the following words in the table with no mistakes. Decode يعني read the following words in the table with no mistakes. Chop, shed, chicken, ship, chin, shop, cheese, rush, chip, cash, rich, mash, much, dish. Let me start with Alma. يلا يا Alma, read them please.
chip, ship, chair, share, shop, chop, shop, witch, wish, watch, wash.
Excellent job يا Alma. يلا يا علي هزيمة. علي الكرار هزيمة. يلا read them please.
Chaos, chip, chair, chop, witch, watch, chip, chair, shop, wet, wish,
Wish and
wash.
wash. Very good يا علي. Thank you. يلا يا هيلدا, let us try reading them.
Chip, chair, 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 chop, chop, no, witch, wish, hop,
Watch.
walk, walk.
Excellent job يا هيلدا. برافو. يلا راما.
Ship again. Ship, ship, chair, chair, shop, shop, witch, wish, watch, wash.
Excellent job يا راما. يلا ميرال.
Again. Ship, ship, share, share, shop, shop, witch, wish, watch, wash.
Excellent job ميرال. يلا فاطمة المصري.
Yes.
يلا try reading them.
Shop,
No, number 1 here. It's
tray,
chip, chip. This was everything for today. You may leave the meeting لأنه